wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Sri Suryanti from Management Class 22B with FM 2241 L17. I here will explain material about understand the basic value and ethics of leadership. Leadership ethics is a concept that includes the value and principle that leadership must adhere to in order to make decisions and manage an organization with ethical standards. These include responsibility, integrity, and morality, honesty, example, balance, and value conflicts. Ethical leadership not only from teams that have strong character, but also with ethical business practices, which will improve the company's reputation and attract potential candidates. Ethical leadership also improves the attitude and behavior of employees within the company and have moral obligation that can affect the work environment and company reputation. Next, the role of ethics in leadership. Ethics is the most important basic in a relationship, including in an organizational environment. Ethics is the science of moral and moral with strict orientation that is influenced by the environment, such as customs, tradition, social environment, ideology, style, religion, and so on. Ethics evolves in the organizational of workplace environment as well, and because the information that is imper- imprinted on a person, ethics in leadership has an important role in determining success or failure in running an organization. Leadership are also the right barometer or grids with for change that have been planned and implemented by the organization. The role of a leader can be interpreted as a set of tools and is like a price of demand for virtue and action are expected by everyone in the organization. Ethics in leadership influences various aspects such as attitude, action, and behavior that leaders carry out within the organization. Leadership who have ethics as build ethical business practices which will build in the organization reputation and influence employees' performance. And ethical leadership will also model an ethical and value-based attitude which will influence the strong character of the team the leads. The role of ethics in leadership is to be the most important basic in leadership, including in an organizational environment. Ethics applies in an organizational or workplace environment as well and become a deep impression that is imparted on a person. Ethics in leadership influences various aspects such as attitude, affection, and behavior that leadership carry out within the organization. Leaders who have ethics will build ethical business practices, which will build the organization reputation and influence the employees' performance. An ethical leader will also model an ethical and value-based attitude which will influence the strong character of the team he leads. Ethical also affect the affection that enforce ethical rules are clear ethical and the nature of carrying out the action is ethical. Ethical ethics is a science that is normative and practical in nature, which regulates how and what human behavior in life. In as organizational environment, ethics in leadership influences how the leader attacks with his subordinates, as well as how he behaves toward his own organization and other. Leadership who have ethics will build harmony in establishing working relationship with their subordinates without any collision with will attention organizational performance. Next, what if a leader does not have good ethics? If a leader does not have good ethics, it will result in unethical and unstable, irresponsible behavior for the people they lead. This will affect full working relationship, lack of performance, and to bad reputation. Leadership who do not have ethics will afford ethical attitude will do not follow ethical rules, and will portray power and strength with low ethical and moral goodness. In essence, a leader is a representative of society, and if he does not have ethics, it will result in deficiencies in organizational management, which will result in deficiencies in guaranteeing, guaranteeing the moral rights and obligation, moral recruit and in the organizational environment. Next, the impact of the leader who does not have good ethics. If a leader does not have a good ethics, it will result in unequal and irresponsible behavior for the people they lead. This will affect for working relationship, lack of the performance, and a bad reputation. Leader who do not have an ethic will avoid ethical attitude, will not follow ethical rules, and will first portray power and strength with low ethical and moral guidelines. Guidelines. Guidelines in essence, in a leader is a representative of society, and if he does not have ethics, it will result in differences in organizational management, which will result in differences in guaranteeing the moral rights and obligation, moral recruit in the organizational environment. Next, ethics and responsibilities of a leader. Ethics and responsibility of a leader are an important basic for achieving success in an organization. A leader who has ethics and responsibility will be able to bring the organization the leads to the free of success by utilizing all the potential that exists in all members of the organizational he leads, and ethical leadership will be a role model for the team he leads, be a role model in performance and integrity, and have a big responsibility for himself and the people under his leadership. Leadership responsibility is not something that can be carried or easily, but the greater the leadership responsibility, the greater the reward given if you can fulfill the role. An ethical leader will have strong confidence, be able to convey a sense of pride in being follow it, and have confidence that will be able to have remain consistent with offered norm in social relationship. Leadership who have leadership ethics will be viewed positively by their colleagues, providing influence and change in the attitude and action of an individual in a work environment. This is certainly a change that marks for the better. Members who work under good and ethical leadership will feel more comfortable and trust their leader. The result of the work can also be more tastefully. Having leader and all individuals who are ethical will have an impact on the increasing the reputation of a company or organization. Ethical principle that a leader must adhere to. The ethical principle that a leader must adhere to include 1. Health ethics and responsibility. A leader must have high ethics and responsibility which will help bring the organization he leads to the path of success. To be a role model, leaders not only have to get other but also have to be a role model for the teams they lead. 3. Dignity and respect. Leadership must have dignity and respect, which will make subordinates feel comfortable and trust the leader. 4. Think and act in accordance with norms of, appropriateness in social relationship. A leader ethics can become a moral standard, provide clear boundaries between good and bad, and guide the leader in decision making. 5. Utilize all potential. A leader must utilize all the potential that exists all member of the organization he leads. How a leader can establish a mutually beneficial relationship with subordinates. subordinates. A leader can exploit mutually beneficial relationship with subordinates by applying several ethical leadership principles such as one, have ethic and responsibility. A leader must have ethics and responsibility which will help bring the organization he leads to the brink of success by utilizing all the potential that exists in all members of the organization he leads. 2. Utilizing all potential. A leader must utilize all the potential that exists in the all member of the organization he leads, which will have good mutually beneficial relationship. 3. Have a leadership spirit. A leader must have a leadership spirit that can determine mission according to the goals that help be disciplined with will have building mutually beneficial relationship. 4. Managing emotion and anger. A leader must manage emotion and anger so that a bad image do not ever in the eyes of others, especially employees which will have mutually beneficial relationship. That's all my expression about understanding the basic value and ethics of leadership. If there is the expression that is not clear or the words are not correct, I apologize. Thank you.